65.
65.
65.
Négation 2.
Negation 2.
Negation 2.
Est-ce que la bague est chère?
Is the ring expensive?
Is the ring expensive?
Non, elle ne coûte que 100 euros.
No, it costs only 100 euros.
No, it costs only 100 euros.
Mais j'en ai seulement 50.
But I have only 50.
But I have only 50.
As-tu déjà terminé?
Are you finished?
Are you finished?
Non, pas encore.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Mais j'aurai bientôt fini.
But I'll be finished soon.
But I'll be finished soon.
Veux-tu encore de la soupe?
Do you want some more soup?
Do you want some more soup?
Non, je n'en veux plus.
No, I don't want any more.
No, I don't want any more.
Mais encore une glace.
But another ice cream.
But another ice cream.
Habites-tu depuis longtemps ici?
Have you lived here long?
Have you lived here long?
Non, juste un mois.
No, only for a month.
No, only for a month.
Mais je connais déjà beaucoup de personnes.
But I already know a lot of people.
But I already know a lot of people.
Vas-tu à la maison demain?
Are you driving home tomorrow?
Are you driving home tomorrow?
Non, seulement en week-end.
No, only on the weekend.
No, only on the weekend.
Mais je rentre déjà dimanche.
But I will be back on Sunday.
But I will be back on Sunday.
Est-ce que ta fille est déjà une adulte?
Is your daughter an adult?
Is your daughter an adult?
Non, elle a seulement 17 ans.
No, she is only 17.
No, she is only 17.
Mais elle a déjà un petit ami.
But she already has a boyfriend.
But she already has a boyfriend.